Hello kids, welcome back to Think It channel. Today we want to share a simple craft that you can make while you are at home. We are going to make Elmo and Cookie Monster. So let's start. You need some colored paper, glue, pencil, and scissors. First, take your red paper and put your hand on it. Then draw your hand's outline using pencil. Do the same activity on the blue paper. Now we are going to make Elmo's nose. Take your orange paper, draw a circle, and cut it. Now draw 4 circles on the white paper, also small circles on the black paper, then cut them. Take your black paper, fold it into 2, then draw mouth on it. Now we have all we need. It's time to play with glue. Stick the eyes and the mouth on the red and blue hands. Ta-da! Now you've got Elmo and Cookie Monster craft. You can stick them on your book or on your bedroom wall. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe the channel to watch more interesting videos. We hope you like it. See you next week, kids!